You like brought.
I need new pictures.
Oh, look at Angel. Are you understanding what I'm saying?
What?
So you're like an angel. Because the light's like on.
Oh.
Just rock out, Becca. Rock out with your cock out. Oh wait, you don't have one.
I hate you. Hot.
What's that violent hand gesture, Becca?
What?
What was that violent hand gesture?
What?
What was that violent hand gesture?
What?
What was that violent hand gesture?
No. That. They're saying.
This is for Ryan. Do Becca, stand up so and turn around just so they can get a little excitement out of that.
These boxers don't do me justice.
No, they don't.
You know.
No, they don't.
Shut up.
Close up on Becca.
How shiny her hair is. Shiny hair.
See the camera much? You hit me in the head. Okay, I'm done. I'm done.